Hey DIY Clubbers. So since we are all about our fitness for 2023 and beyond, I want to take you guys along on my 30-day challenge using the TikTok sensation weighted hula hoop. So here is what I received from Amazon. The box comes with all of the links that you'll need, and then it also includes an instruction sheet that shows you how to connect the pieces. So this is my first attempt at using the weighted hula hoop. I was basically mimicking someone that I had seen on Instagram on how they did it, but I did make it too big. So here you see it falling down my hips. So I'm going to just show you guys how easy it is to add and remove links. You basically just use the little peg systems, put it around you, measure out how many that you'll need, and they really snap on quite easily. And you'll want a bit of a snug fit. You don't want it too tight to where it's squeezing off circulation, but enough to where it won't fall down like mine did. And then you just slide the weight in. Once I got the sizing right, the hula hooping was pretty easy.
All right, it is day 2. Let's get it.
So as you can see, by the second day, I pretty much had it down pat. And once I put my music on and just went, the 30 minutes flew by. So the next few slides are going to be me progressing through the days, and through this little montage, you guys will see me change outfits, of course, as well as hairstyles. On this day, I couldn't go outside because it had gotten too late, so I jammed out in the garage. So this was the first day that I doubled the time that I did the hula hooping, and I was stuck inside because of the weather this day. But I will say music is key. If you have music, it makes the time go by so much faster, and it just makes this whole experience a lot more enjoyable. Also, make sure you have plenty of space because you do not want to hit anything. Now, here's where things kind of went downhill. So as you can see, the track that holds the weighted ball lost 2 of the wheels, and they flew somewhere out in my yard. I was only able to recover 1 of the wheels. Now, once I recovered mentally from having to order another hula hoop, I went ahead and doubled up my days again, doing an hour each day to catch up with where I would have been. So I just wanted to reiterate how important music is when doing this challenge. It literally will make or break the completion of the whole challenge. And I will tell you, I listen to Renaissance more times than I am proud to admit, and I'm not ashamed. So make sure you find you a good soundtrack that has an up-tempo beat, and it will make the 30 minutes go by so much quicker. Now, by the time I got to this day, needless to say, I was so very excited that this challenge was coming to an end. But, you guys, literally, as I was ending my hour for this day, the new hoop broke as well. I did not order another hoop because I just considered this challenge as completed. So just to come on and film an outro real quick, this is me after the first day, so that is why I'm talking over this video. I will say that I enjoyed using the hula hoop, and I think that if they allowed for replacement pieces and parts to be available, that would be so much more helpful. And I feel like I would have continued doing the hula hoop for 30 minutes a day because it did get me outside more. It concentrated the focus of the workout, and it just allowed me to get outside of my head by putting on music and looking out at nature that was around my house. So I would consider this a success. I did lose a few inches off of my waist, and overall, I enjoyed the process of using the weighted hoop, but until they fix the issue with the wheels popping off or breaking, I won't be buying another one. But if you've tried it, let me know down below.